So about 4 months ago, I planted carrots. The carrots have been through our winter, through our freezes, and now they, I think, are ready to harvest. So let's harvest these. I had 2 different types growing. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a really good harvest, maybe my best carrot harvest ever. So sit back, relax. Let's harvest some carrots, y'all. All right, this is my older carrot patch right here. And then about a month after I planted those, then I planted all of these. Now I'm putting up a short of when I spot checked these carrots right over here. But I also spot checked these, I think a day after I spot checked those. And over here, the carrot was very big, very sweet, incredibly, in fact, it didn't even get in the house. It was that good. So we should have a good carrot game right here. I'm hoping. I know over there should be really good. Now, when I say sweet, the carrots are sweet this time of year because they went through the winter. And the reason for that is that the cold weather makes your root crops convert starches into sugars. So, I've said this before, if you are eating a carrot and it's a sweet carrot, more than likely that carrot was grown throughout a winter process. Just like these are. All of these right here should be good and sweet. We're about to find out how good this harvest is going to be. So let's do it. Here we go. Let's just start right here in the front. Look at that, y'all. Come on now. Look at that. Just a beautiful carrot. No wireworm damage of any kind. I mean, look at that, y'all. Okay. All right. So far, look at all those carrots right there. Now that is a great harvest, not gonna lie. And I still got all of those to go. Okay, but as you can see, I'm still leaving a bunch of carrots in here, right? Now this is something I have thought about doing for quite a while, but usually when I get out here, y'all, I just want to harvest. I get into that zone, I just start yanking everything out, and I get a bunch, and I'll get a bunch of these size carrots. Now these are good little snacker carrots, let's keep it real, right? But those are what we want, right? Look at that, just a beautiful carrot. So what I'm going to do right here is all of these carrot tops that you see right there, I'm going to leave in for another couple weeks. Water them really good because honestly, I don't need this section of the garden right now. And let's see if I can get all of those up to those sizes. So that is my thought on those carrots. Now, if you're asking what kind of carrots those are, I believe those are Danvers half Danvers. These over here, if I'm not mistaken, are a St. Croix carrot. I'd have to really go back and see if I even have the pictures or the video. I don't think I made a video when I planted these, but I think I might have pictures. I'm not 100% sure. I know, I'm terrible. But this section I actually do need to harvest everything out of because basically from here all the way down, I've already got figured out and planned what's going in over here. So we are actually going to harvest everything in this bed. But when I spot checked, this area should be good. Plus, the majority of the carrots in this section are actually doing this right here. Most of them are popping up just like that. See? Got them popping up everywhere in here. So the harvest in here should actually be really good. Let's get these weeds out of the way. All right, here we go. Look at that. Man, Beautiful carrots. Come on, y'all. Okay, seriously. Man, tell me that's not a good harvest. I did say I was going to harvest everything. I'm leaving a few carrots in there. I'm just going to let those go to flower, go to seed, because I can plant around those, and that's not really a big deal. That is probably, more than likely, the best carrot harvest that I've had ever, honestly. Secret to carrots, y'all. I'm going to let y'all behind the curtain a little bit. Patience. I know. Well, I give my carrots patience. I am patient. Patience. And keeping the seeds wet. Keeping them watered. Not soppy wet. Not a swamp wet. But keeping them wet. That's the key. Patience and keeping them wet. Also, one thing that I'm actually incredibly surprised about, this is also the first time I've ever harvested any carrots that didn't have some crazy shapes to them. That happens when carrots grow next to each other, or they're growing into soil that's chunky, that have sticks or rocks or something, and it forces the carrot to grow in a different direction. Sometimes some crazy, obscene shapes. Let's be real. But the way I planted both of the beds this year or last year was I took my time and I really made sure that the seeds were spread out. I didn't just kind of like fling them like I usually did. I made sure they were spread out, so when I watered them in, they had their space. They had room to grow on their own, and they all look really good. I mean, that is a really good carrot harvest. Now I've got my work cut out for me, because I actually wasn't going to harvest today, but it's such a beautiful day. I have not watered these two beds for a few days because I wanted the soil to kind of dry out. So when I harvested, I wasn't harvesting into mud or anything like that. And you saw how easy all the carrots came out. Plus we've got days and days of rain coming, so I wanted to get those done tonight. Now what I'm gonna do with the majority of these carrots is I'm gonna can them, because I love carrots. You know, I love to boil carrots and things like that. And fresh carrots, you can't even, come on, doesn't get any better. So secret, patience, keeping them watered. That's it. When you plant your seeds, you're not even really planting them, you're surface planting them. What I do is I'll plant them, I'll sprinkle the seeds, and then I'll take a handful of whatever soil that I have available and I'll just sprinkle it over that bed. I never put a thick coat, just a light sprinkle. And then I water it in really good. 10 to 14 days, most carrots start to germinate within that range. And then you're off to the races, y'all. Then you just keep them watered, keep them, then you just keep them watered. So that's my secret to a great carrot harvest. That's it, y'all. I just wanted to let y'all see the carrot harvest, tell you a little bit about carrots. Now, one thing I didn't say earlier, if you grow carrots in the winter time, I did mention that's the best time to grow them because you can get sweet carrots. If you grow them throughout the summer, you can still do that, but your carrots are going to be not as sweet. It's just that simple, because there's no cold to convert the starches to sugar. So the carrots will taste different grown throughout the summer or throughout, a heat time as opposed to a cold time. So keep that in mind when you're growing your carrots, when you're planting your carrots, and think ahead, 3 to 4 months when you're going to harvest. What are your carrots going to go through in that time? That's my advice. If y'all learned anything from this video, if you got anything out of it, do me the 5 favors: share, like, comment, hype, and subscribe to this channel if you've not done so already. And of course, y'all, you take care. May God continue to bless each and every one of you and your gardens this coming year. I'll talk to you again real soon. I got my work cut out for me. Bye.